I was VP slash owner, minority owner of a plastic injection molding company. We hired Rudy to help the company manage its growth, cash flow, and to install manufacturing discipline into the company. The growth became more organized. When I say that, we had a database with a follow-up program. He implemented a software program that basically managed the cash flow, faster inventory turnover, faster receivable collection, credit monitoring of customers. And then we implemented manufacturing discipline. We got more productivity out of the same number of employees. He had developed a proprietary tool. He can tell you more about it, but it was basically a proprietary tool for pulling data out of a general ledger system and help people understand it. He was more involved in it than I was, so he could tell you more about it. I would recommend LaRue to another company because Rudy has the years of experience on dealing with challenging personalities. He knows how to drill down and find out what the true cash flow of a company is. And he understands what is good product and bad product from an asset standpoint. And he then energizes and utilizes those assets to generate more cash. Cash is the lifeblood of a company. And I think he's a taskmaster, but he's very fair. I have been able with my own company, which I've now run for going on 7 years. I've been able to learn how to break into new markets. When I sold my business, I had a non-compete, so I could not go into the injection molding business. So I repositioned myself. I'm an engineer by training into the aeronautical industry. And I've been working in the aerospace industry for 8 years and have had some good accomplishments in it. But mainly, I find myself consulting with my companies I represent because they prepare quotations and they're uncompetitive. And I try to help them work through that so that they become more competitive. And I've used the tools I learned from Rudy over the 5 years that I worked with him in 2 different companies. You know, in a nutshell, I think Rudy is one of the rare gems out there that knows how to get the best out of people and companies. Rudy was able to convince the trade, the accounts receivable people and the accounts payable people that they were in a better position if they worked with him than if they didn't work with him.